Hi, this is Neil, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the spark plugs and the ignition coil packs on a 2011 Toyota Yaris for engine maintenance. This process is relatively simple and is far less expensive than having it done professionally. Additionally, this method will also work for other similar Toyota models with a 4-cylinder engine. Here are the materials that you will need. New spark plugs, coil packs, a 10mm socket, a spark plug socket, a socket wrench, a torque wrench, and a socket extension. Use the 10mm socket and the socket wrench to remove all 4 nuts on the engine cover. Take the cover off and set it aside. Next, use a 10mm socket and the socket wrench again to remove the 4 bolts. Remove the coil pack harness as indicated by the red arrows. Because the clips of the harness are fragile, use a screwdriver to gently lift the clips out. Pull the harness out and repeat the same process for the other 3 coil pack harnesses. Remove the 4 coil packs by gently popping each one out. If you're struggling with this, try wiggling them to assist with the removal process, and repeat it for the other 3 coil packs. Take out the 4 spark plugs using a spark plug socket, a socket extension, and a socket wrench. Rotate the wrench counterclockwise to loosen them. Install the new spark plugs with a spark plug socket that features a rubber gasket. The rubber gasket will hold the spark plug during installation, preventing it from falling. Properly align the spark plug with the cylinder and turn your socket wrench clockwise to install it. And repeat this process for the other 3 new spark plugs. Torque each of the spark plugs to spec. In other words, use the torque wrench and socket extension to tighten each of the spark plugs to the manufacturer's specified torque. Typically, it's set at 18 foot-pounds, but it may vary depending on your model. Rotate the torque wrench clockwise until you hear a click sound, which indicates completion. Repeat this process for the other 3 spark plugs. Reinstall the coil packs by simply pushing them back in by hand. Hard. Then reinstall the 4 bolts. Realign the 4 connectors back up, pushing them inward until they click. Finally, put the engine cover back on and reinstall the 4 nuts. And with that, we have successfully changed the spark plugs and the ignition coil packs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button below, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have comments or questions, make sure to type them in the comments below. Bye! I'll see you in the next video.